Hello Aeronets. This was a really well structured program what we have experienced from last 2 days. The students have exposed to the theory classes, the implementation part of development of aeroplane and flying part of it. It was very well structured and they had really good fun. They got exposed to many of the things over here. Thank you so much Aeronets for the support. I wish you all the very best for you. Thank you so much.
were explained. We were taught about how the airplane works, the basics of aerospace, aeromodelling and aerodynamics. And on the second day, we started building a model, and we had a great experience with the volunteers.
The volunteer's name was Larry, and she was amazing. Our plane flew, so she definitely taught us well.
And also it had a great spin because it didn't break when it landed, and had a wonderful landing.
All of them were, all the crew members and everybody were very helpful, and yeah, our plane flew, so we were very happy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It was a great experience building this over a 2 days course. We were given all the instructions and all the materials really clearly, and
We made this. Our team was Team Wingman.
Team Wingman for the win. The model was C5 and it flew brilliantly.
This activity was really good. We learned how to make an actual airplane. Just a model though, but still it was quite informative. And the mentors were really good and informative. Like Murthan sir, our Murthan sir here. He also helped us with all the construction work over. See, like he was even very detailing about all the instructions, where to add which, what to do, where to do. And the course was and the workshop was very informative as well.